Hey everybody, how's it going? So when my wife and I got to Thailand about a month and a half ago, we decided to take on a rehab project of her mother's and her aunt's backyard. I realized I couldn't do it with short, so I'm going to start a little series here, Thailand Backyard Rehab, and we're going to nest it all within the C. Damon Trek channel. We hope you like it, and we hope you follow along with our progress. One of the goals my wife and I set out in coming to Thailand was to rehabilitate her mother's property. So let me give you an orientation. This is her aunt's house, which is next door to her other aunt's house, which is next door to her mother's house. And they all share this back property. We are having this long garage carport built, so there will be an outdoor sitting area and a place to park the cars. This was a little house that we had put in. It's a modular home. I'll do a video just on that later. And then we're also having a wall built. One of the issues is there is a bunch of debris that needs to be moved, some soil mediation that needs to be done, and this used to be a little paradise back here, and so rehabilitating it is going to be quite the challenge. More to follow. So we had a few things in mind that we wanted to do. First, let's get that carport walkway done and the roof by the small house. Then let's get the wall built, and then let's get the debris cleared from the backyards. And there was just a lot of debris. But while we're doing that, let's just water the plants that we have in the backyard, and at the same time, let's begin conditioning the soil with natural fertilizers. So it really is amazing what a little bit of water can do. Look at these banana plants. They just started sprouting after we were watering them. We got some of the debris away and moved out. You can see that these ginger plants here, ginger root is growing. This is a plant that's used in soup. This is that papaya plant that was stuck underneath all of that rubble. And right now, as short as a month and a half later, it is starting to bear fruit, which is just great. We paired that papaya plant with a lemon plant and a mango tree. So in years to come, that's going to look beautiful. Here you can see where we've put a garden in specifically for Aunt Mai, and she is loving the garden. She's growing corn, melons, and all that sort of thing. It's looking great so far. Here we have in a raised garden, we're growing some melons, and everything's really starting to look good. We're also working on conditioning the soil. So stay tuned for part 2 of rehabbing in the backyard. Thanks, and have a great day.